welcome once again. This is our Muchman Multifacet Services. What am I holding? That's such protective device. So if you look very well, you see that there is difference between this and this. They're the same color, but they're actually different products. So what is different, Engineer Great?
Okay, the difference is if you look at the engine, here is a complete engine. You see, although they cement it like a kind of cassette, so the resistor is not showing. Yeah. So, and then apart from that, you have a conductor. So the work of this device is to signal your breaker whenever there is a surge from the sun, from the solar panel. So, and this is supposed to be in the same function, likewise this one. So what we find out, I was called upon for a maintenance at a place where the system is already installed. Then when I got there, I looked, everything was all right. So something just said, let me just open this and see if it's all right inside. Then when I open it, behold, this is what I found out. It's just normal cement cast, and then they put this on here and nothing more.
Thank you so much. So we don't just buy products, we also go to the extent of verifying that what we are buying is good. Now, look at this one, sir. So these are these products, the one that is good. Those are what we have in stock. Look at this. This one is bad. And sometimes if you're not a technical engineer, just like my engineer, you might be installing. I do not know that you are just installing fake products. So this SPD won't protect any appliance. Why this will protect? Because the engine, the conductors, the mechanism is actually complete. And what is the work of this SPD? To signal the breaker to trip when there is a surge that is above the voltage specified in that surge breaker. So when there is a surge, it will short circuit and then it will trip off the breaker. So imagine you bought this and you install in your house and you're hoping for the breaker to trip, to not. Instead, it will still go ahead and short your and they affect your system. So this is just this video is to open the eye of installers and even end users to make sure that they verify the devices that are being installed for them, so that they know that those devices are functional. But normally it should be the work of the engineer. I'm showing this to our trainees here, so that whenever they go to site too, they will still need to verify all this so that they will keep on doing a good job. Muchman Multifacet Services.